Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be about these sweet and tasty apple apricot cakes, which are topped off with a butter crumble on top. This is a fairly simple and easy recipe that only requires a few ingredients, and is just perfect to serve as a snack with a cup of coffee or tea after Iftar during Ramadan. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Firstly, start off with mixing everything in a mixing bowl. The exact ingredients will be shown throughout the video. Keep adding in either flour or water until the dough is soft and firm but not sticky. Cover the dough ball in a bowl and let it then sit for about 45 minutes in a warm place in the kitchen. Afterwards, prepare the crumble by mixing together some butter, flour, baking powder, and lemon juice by hand in a bowl as shown. Depending on how big you want the crumbs to be, add in more or less flour. Cover that up also, and set it aside for later on. Then slice up 2 or 3 apples and put them in a small pan to caramelize with some sugar and butter. Keep them on medium heat until the apple slices have softened. Now it's time to roll out the dough when it's done rising. Roll it out on a floured surface as shown until it's about a centimeter thick. Now with a pizza cutter or knife, cut the rolled out dough into a few even-sized rectangles as shown and lay those on a baking tray. Afterwards, cover each of them with the caramelized apples and slices of apricots on top, as well as the crumble we've prepared earlier. Optionally, sprinkle a mixture of cinnamon and sugar on top and put them in the oven to bake until they're golden brown. And this is how they should look like when taken out of the oven. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.